Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking level and turning the ignition off, safety first. Remove the small triangular interior trim by prying at the clips. Use a plastic trim tool to avoid damage. Once the trim is off, locate and loosen the 3 mounting nuts. Keep them together. Disconnect the mirror's electrical plug carefully, noting wire positions and colors so you can reconnect correctly later. Doing this now saves time and prevents miswiring when you install the replacement. Once the nuts are loose, support the mirror assembly with your free hand and remove the final nut. This prevents the mirror from falling and scratching paint. Pull the mirror straight away from the door, guiding the wiring harness through the access hole so it doesn't snag. Take your replacement mirror, feed the harness back through, and seat the mount flat against the door. Tighten the nuts snugly. Make sure threads align before torquing to spec so the mirror sits flush and won't vibrate. After mounting, reconnect the electrical plug and gently tug to confirm it's seated. Test all mirror functions: electronic adjustment, heating, and turn signal lighting if present. This confirms proper wiring and operation. Reinstall the interior trim by snapping clips back into place, ensuring no gaps. Once done, drive a short distance and recheck the mounting nuts for tightness. If something fails, inspect connector pins for bent wire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.